Today I am introducing ParentGuideAI, a technology initiative designed to bring equitable, evidence-based parenting support to families who often lack access to reliable guidance. ParentGuideAI focuses on a simple but huge problem. Parenting support is not evenly available. Families in rural areas, low-income households, and multilingual communities often have fewer pediatric visits, less access to parenting classes, and fewer chances to ask, "Is this normal?" when it comes to sleep, feeding, or behavior. It is known that birth to age 5 is a critical window for brain development and long term health. Early guidance for caregivers can literally change a child's life trajectory, but the support needs to be timely, practical, culturally relevant, and free or low cost. The social change Parent AI aims for is this: any caregiver, regardless of income, language, or location, can get calm, evidence based parenting guidance in their pocket that is curated 24/7 instead of relying on stressful late night search results or fragmented generic apps. Parent Guide AI is a mobile app powered by artificial intelligence, specifically natural language processing, the part of AI that lets computers understand and respond to questions in everyday language. This technology was chosen because smartphone access is now nearly universal for adults, and research shows parents are already turning to apps for developmental and health questions. Caregivers can type or speak questions like, "My 7-month-old isn't crawling yet, should I worry?" Or, "How do I make my toddler's bedtime less chaotic?" The app interprets the questions, pulls from a curated library of pediatric and child development guidance, and relies on clear, friendly language with age appropriate explanations, simple actions to try, and clear red flag guidance about when to call a doctor or 911. Over time, it will curate the specific child's needs and specs. Why is this technology needed? Research makes it clear that this technology is needed. A large content analysis by DeWitt and other authors in 2022 examined 149 child development apps and found that most provide generic, non personalized guidance, and very few reflect cultural or linguistic diversity. Many apps also lack evidence based information or meaningful feedback for parents. The ARC Center of Excellence for Digital Child highlights another issue in their Baby Apps Misunderstandings of Data Driven Care seminar. Researchers explain how apps can unintentionally mislead parents when the data isn't contextualized or personalized. Nesta's report, "Could Parents' Apps Improve Outcome for Children?" showed that digital tools can support positive parenting practices, but only when they are trustworthy, culturally relevant, and designed for real world family contexts. Finally, the Child and Family blog notes that while apps have potential, parents struggle to find ones that offer accurate, developmentally appropriate guidance. The demand is high, but the quality gap is wide. Parent Guide AI directly responds to these documented needs. Our implementation plan begins with partnerships connected with WIC, Head Start, public health departments, libraries, childcare centers, and home visiting programs. These are trusted access points for families, especially in undeserved communities. Next comes collaborative designs and development, where early childhood experts, pediatric advisors, AI engineers, and parent ambassadors work together to build features that align with real caregiving challenges. A pilot would be launched with 50 to 100 families to test accuracy, cultural responsiveness, usability, and engagement. Their feedback informs refinement before full community rollout. Throughout the process, the benchmark goals include regular caregiver engagement with weekly learning tips, monthly milestone check ins, increased use of safety and health guidance tools, as well as successful engagement for multilingual and low literacy households. Here you can see key measurable objectives for families using the app. What makes Parent Guide AI different? First, it's coaching first, not tracking first. The core experience is conversation and coaching, with tracking as an optional support, never a requirement. Second, it's designed for equity. The app is intentionally multilingual, offers audio and visual explanations, and avoids dense text. Content is co-designed with parent ambassadors from diverse cultural and linguistic communities, so examples and suggestions feel relevant to rural families, low-income families, and families of color. not just one typical user. Third, it is explicitly evidence linked. Every guidance block is mapped to trusted source such as pediatric guidelines and early childhood development framework. Fourth, it has an ethical low burden design. No predatory ads aimed at parents, clear data privacy explanations, the ability to delete your data, and a core feature set that is free for families. Instead of monetizing anxiety, the project relies on public health partnerships and grants to sustain the service. In short, ParentGuideAI uses emerging AI technology not as a replacement for caregivers or professionals, but as a bridge, connecting families to trustworthy, inclusive parenting support exactly when they need it. When a caregiver at 2 a.m. can get calm, culturally relevant, evidence based guidance instead of panic and misinformation, that's not just a tech feature, that's a social good. Parent Guide AI is more than a tool. It's a step towards more equitable access to early childhood support, catching by embedding research, culturally responsiveness, and ethical technology into one platform. We're helping caregivers feel supported and helping children thrive. Empowering caregivers, supporting children, advancing equity.